Get TaleDraw. Create your story today. Join the TaleDraw community. Like and subscribe for more. The Guardians of Gaia. Once upon a time, there was a little ladybug named Lola and her best friend, Buddy the Bee. They lived in a colorful garden full of beautiful flowers and tall trees. They were known as the Guardians of Gaia, protecting the garden they called home. One day, Mama Earth entrusted them with a special mission. "The garden is falling sick," Mama Earth told them. "I need you two to find the magic seeds and plant them. They'll heal the garden." Armored with courage, Lola and Buddy set out on their journey. They crossed rivers, climbed mountains, and traveled through dense forests. It was a challenging quest, but Lola and Buddy didn't give up. They worked together, using their unique strengths to overcome obstacles. One night under the starlit sky, they found the magic seeds. Lola, with her spotless vision, and Buddy, with his strength, planted the seeds. As the seeds kissed the earth, something magical happened. The garden started blooming again, painting a picture of vibrant life and health. Lola and Buddy returned home as heroes. They were greeted with cheers and applause by all the creatures of the garden. They had successfully completed their mission and saved their beloved home. They continued to live as the Guardians of Gaia, protecting and caring for the garden, living their journey's lessons every day. Until next time, help your children explore their heart's story. Download TaleDraw today. Available for all audiences on Google Play and Apple App Store.